This is LV panel G drawing, 415 volt LV low voltage panel G drawing. Here you can see the panel height is 2450 millimeter, and that means 2.45 meter is the height. And here this is one vertical cubicle. In this one vertical cubicle, if you notice, this is the panel width, 500 is the panel width. Here here 1F1, 1F2, 1F3, these are the modules. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 modules are there, and this module is the incoming module, and others are switch fuse, small switch fuse units. So this is 500 this is the panel width, and another 350 space is there. So this is the cable alley. This is for the cable entry. You know, the cable entry will be from the bottom of the panel. So this is the cable entry point here. So from the bottom of the panel, cable will come here, and one removable gland plate will be there. So undrilled gland plate will be there, then cable will be then cable dressing, glanding, and termination will be done here. So this is the cable alley. So total panel width is 500 plus 350, that means 850 is the panel width. Height is 2450 2.45 meter, and depth, this panel depth, you cannot get the depth from here, but this depth is 1 meter. I will show you how it is coming. Yeah, here you can see this is 1 meter. This is the depth. This is depth is 1 meter. Okay, and here this is, you can see this is 850, as I explained already, 500 plus 350. So this is the foundation plan for this panel. So 500 plus 350, so 850 is coming, and this 1 meter is the depth, and height is 2.45 meter. Okay, so this is the this is double front MCC. What is double front MCC? That means from both the from both side you can find the modules like this. So this is the front view. Here you can see this is front view. So total panel length is 6800 6.8 meter total panel lineup, and this is you are viewing the panel front view. Here this is SS1, SS2, SS3 and SS4. What does this mean? This SS1 this is for the one shipping section. So this is for one, this is for one shipping section. This approximate weight is 1500 kg. And this is shipping section 2, shipping section 3. So during shipment you can understand that this will come as a shipping section here. So 3F and 4F, this will come all together. So 5F and 6F, it will come as a one shipping section. Here in the 5F panel lineup, you can see this in this vertical lineup there are how many panels are there, how many modules are there? 5 F1, F2, F3, F4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in a vertical vertical panel there are 8 modules, because these are very small modules, that's why. Okay, so for this like this all other small ratings, so basically all are switch fuse unit, small starter modules, DOL and RDOL, modules, and some are spare. Suppose this one is back end, that means spare module. And here you can see 16 by 32 ampere, that means switch fuse rating. So this is very small rating pen starter modules. So this is the panel front view, and I will show you now the rear side of this panel. This is the rear view of that panel lineup. This is also, you can see, 6.8 meter, 6800 mm. So this is the rear side, that's why it is mentioned like R for rear. So this is rear side. Also there are the modules, likewise as was in the front side. So you can access the starter modules both from the front as well as from the rear side. Here also the same thing. This is the 500 mm is the panel width, and 350 mm is the cable alley for cable entry and cable distribution inside the panel. So all the power and control cables will come. So this is the cable alley, along with all the vertical modules. There will be one cable alley, because these are the bottom panel bottom cable entry. And here, if you can notice, this is the earthing lug. So this at the both end of the panel, here you can see another lug. So this is for the earthing connection, panel earthing, and this is the rear view. So in today's video we have seen how the low voltage panels will be installed at site. So these are the panel GA drawing, and this was a double front MCC motor control center, because from the front side as well as from the rear side we can access these starter modules.